Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department MBA, Program MBA, Semester 2, Subject Operations Management. Today, the topic for the presentation is on Innovation Management. What is Innovation Management? Why we need to study under the head of Operations Management? In the production and operation management, their regular duty is to receive input materials. Once they got input materials, relatively they will be manufacturing of the products. The same products cannot be used by customers in a long run. Definitely, there should be required some kind of changes, some kind of updates. Based on the changes, definitely people will like consuming your products for future days also. So, invention management is a combination of all the time innovations of management as well as combination of the change management. When there are changes, definitely in the product or in your business or in your organization, definitely which is going to allow for to accept customers to start to consuming of your product. Innovation management all the time to allow organization to respond towards external, internal opportunities to use. Mostly the creativity also will be added for success of your ideas. Customers also will be thinking what is new for this product whenever you are updating it. All the time the updations are to be give more value addition. Moreover, it is the correlated the output of the external environment, especially the customers according to their taste preferences. When you do changes in the product, definitely they will be accepting it. So you will be spending a less amount for your marketing also. Historic retrospective of innovation. Just as humans evolve, so too does the process of the innovation. We should know very clearly the innovation was taken place not for today, not for yesterday. This is the humanity was taken place. The innovation was started when the humans were started to fulfill their basic needs. According to the history, it was saying the people they are very hungry. By the time they will start to kill the animals to fulfill their stomach. Later that they decided to go for agriculture. When the agriculture thing was taken place, people are started to checking for or creation of the various tools, hammers, spares and plows. Because of this, what happened? They are started to do for the cultivation. They are getting by the food grains for fulfillment of their stomach. Later that the James Watt was invented the steam engine. When the wheel was entering into the market, ultimately the industrial revolution was entered. When the industry was entered, as we are also seeing as on date, n number of changes are taking place by the industrial revolution. This is what happened for more than hundreds and hundred years. Now, the present situation was talking on information revolution. Here, we are going to find out what kind of relationship was having the people with the connectivity of their datas. Decades and decades people were talking and thinking about the information revolution. Nowadays people are talking about the big data, data mining, analytics, AI, ML, all these are the existing data, how effectively you are going to be analyzing and giving to the society, as well as for the needy industries to use about by this information. Here the innovation process, first one, idea generation. Here the idea generation which is done by companies on behalf of us. Sometimes they will directly contact the customers by saying what kind of innovation you are expecting for next generation. Based on the customer innovation, companies will be start to manufacturing of the product. Based on the employee innovation, they will start to come up with the new ideas. Customer or employee, they will be using about all our products. Here the partners, maybe a supplier or a banker or a shareholder or whoever it is, they will also advise us in a meeting by saying that these are the latest trends, these are the innovations are requested by most of the customers. Based on that, we will able to provide everything to them. Sometimes you are learning the things from your competition. What kind of competition was there in the market? What kind of updates they are doing? Why can't we to do all these changes? We can also do. Then definitely the competition, through that also people are doing by the changes of their products. Second one, advocacy and screening. Here what happened? After manufacturing the product, they will be showcased to the public. Maybe sometime the whole market they will be launched, or sometime they may launch only to the target market. They will check it, the product related features. After that, they may launch to the all over the globe also. So the second step also to be screening about to the product to the certain people or certain group. Then third one is experimentation. So in the target market or the selected customers, they will be giving feedback about to the innovation. Then third step, they will talk about by the experimentation. In the point of the experimentation, they will do rapid changes based on the comments. Sometimes the comments may given by an employee, targeted customer, or sometimes the knowledgeable persons, we are inviting them to check about the quality standards of the product. Relatively, you can share your experiences. All these are also to be part of this experimentation. Sometimes they may use about by the machines, tools also for updations. Step 4, commercialization. Here, after the completion of the experimentation, the finished product or the manufactured product, they will be launching to the market. Once they launch to the market, they will be come to know the product related sales, quality, innovation, acceptance of the product in the market. All these are directly, indirectly will be influencing on your market. Fifth one, diffusion and implementation. Once you are introduce your product to the market, then definitely that will be going just like a water. The moment people are started to test it, people are come to know what kind of innovation you would have done. If it is really good for them or helpful for them, they will be slowly implementing or adapting your product as a important thing for their regular duties. The approaches to innovation. Innovation will be coming mostly by your needs. If you have a high potential needs, relatively the innovation also will be a vibrant. The exciting product portfolio, which is all the time to create greatest market trends, which is completely benefit from innovation. Management of innovation, but the complexity of pushing the boundaries here makes the whole exercise potential not worth to the bother. The reporter, we are all the time to divide by the innovation into the 4 separate streams. Sometimes the low innovators, they may have a small quantity of finance, material, place to manufacturing by the product. Sometimes the fair comparison also may not be happen, may be happen. Second one is like a medium innovator. They will make the effort and they are well versed in their rebel innovations. However, they don't bother to look outside in the sense of they will talk about by the entire environment, how they will be perceived or how they will think. They don't look at to the innovative what it was done by their rivals or by the competitors. A good innovators, all the time they will be committed for their own innovation process. It is not for 1 year, not for one time. Continuously they will be doing all these kind of changes, which is all the time to lead a greatest innovation across all the industries. Top innovators, all the time they will be having some kind of work for doing the innovation. They won't be sit quiet. They will be doing all the time some kind of experiments for to get by the very good results. Whenever we are talking about the innovation, another side also we will be facing by the problems of the innovation. That is called it as the barriers of innovation. India, like developing countries, also they are talking and focusing about n number of strategies for the innovation in their production. Certain barriers are there, maybe financial barrier, maybe ownership problem, or seniority basis we need to do for the implementation. Sometimes your share is very high, so even if you don't have any kind of innovative ideas, we need to follow after you only. Management also, they need to identify no reward and recognition for the program. Sometimes systematic innovation was not up to the mark. Many other payoff or many other realistic problems are facing by the realistic world. Continuation that constantly also we are shifting by the priorities based on the customer requirements. Even you are fulfilling that is not up to the mark. In internally many areas they are talking, but because of the political reasons or some kind of hierarchy, some people are unwillingness to work. They are ready to accept the failure. So because of all these backlogs is all the time to pushing you back for your success. This is also all the time we need to be observed. Sometimes initially they will be having like burning like anything to take the initiative. Once the moment they are continuing for some time, they will be lose their willingness. They are going to become a lazy. We cannot expect anything from them. Or sometime your idea may be materialized. Ultimately, it will not be accepted by the market. Many other problems will be taking. Sometimes you may worried about by the risk. Sometimes innovation was not up to the mark when compared to the other your competitors. Your creative thinking was not shaped up by the properly. You should require some sort of training. Then only that will be coming to the a good shape. Thank you.